Welcome to another Simple Dad Capcut tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create an anime character effect on a photo on Capcut. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any of the social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So in this video tutorial, I'll show you how to take a normal picture and turn it into an anime character. So to do this, first you want to open up Capcut. Next you want to tap on New Project. And here you want to go ahead and select a photo from your phone library. Tap on Add. Now to change this photo into an anime character, you want to first select the photo on the timeline. Next, from the tool down below here, you want to swipe left until you see Style. Now on the Style menu here, you want to find JP Anime, which is right here. This looks like this. Go ahead and tap on it. Capcut will then start the process to convert that into an anime character. So as you can see, it has transferred it into an anime character. Once you're happy with that, tap on the tick at the bottom right. And now you have converted a person into an anime character. So there you go. That is how to create an anime character effect on Capcut. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.